this section is about using math, or algebra in particular, to do application problems, or you might know them as word problems. So we're going to talk about a few things that are a little tricky when it comes to translating descriptions into word problems. This first one says, write an expression for the amount of money in dollars for Q quarters. So Q is representing the number of quarters. How much money is that in dollars? Well, how much is 1 quarter worth in dollars? 1 quarter is equal to 25 cents, but written in dollars, that would be 0.25. Okay? That's the value in dollars of 1 quarter. If we have Q of them, a certain number, we don't know how many it represents, we want to multiply it by this value to get the value in dollars. So that expression is, you don't need the dollar sign to write the algebra because it just gets in the way. But 0.25Q is the expression we want. Okay? Another example of a tricky situation is if they say something like two numbers add up to 88 and one number is x, write an expression for the other number. Well, if one of them is x and it adds up to get 88, that means that x plus, let's say, y is equal to 88. Well, let's come up with a number that x could be and see what happens. 40 plus y would be 88. So if we know one number is 40 and we have the other number is y, what would we do with 88 and 40 to figure out y? Well, we would simply do this. We'd say y is equal to 88 minus 40. And that equals 48, sorry. Okay, 88 minus 40 is 48. So now we go back to this. What did we do here to get y? We said y was 88 minus x. And using that pattern we figured out with these numbers, that's the expression they're asking for. If one number is x and it adds to another number to get 88, then the other number can be represented as 88 minus x.